Hello friends, welcome to Skill Up. Today I'll show you how to code indent in your HTML. I just show you the just unorganized HTML code, but if you want to organize, then how you can organize, I'll just show you. This is the output and this is the HTML code, but it is the not organized. But if you want need to organize and how you can organize, just I will show you. That's it. So let's start. This is the HTML code, and if you want to organize, then you can just right click, then click format document with click, then you can select the Prettier. Prettier is this is the uh, VS Code extension. Also there in the HTML language. You can just click Prettier, then your code is format. Also, if you want to just write document and HTML feature, also this is the organized. But if you want to organize without editor, then you can just put your code copy and go to the Google and just write the HTML code formatter. Then you can just open first one and paste your code and click on the format. That is the formatted code. You can just copy and paste here. So that's it. It is the pretty easy and you can do according to your need. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.